Hello, everyone. This is David here at Medical Massage Professionals in Kissimmee, Florida. We are working on fibrosis case. Um, we are here with the patient who is in the last session of her treatment. Um, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, where you're from, and what brought you here?
So I'm from Jamaica. I had lipo done in DR. I did lipo and fat transfer. Around my second week after my lipo and fat transfer, I started noticing like lumps, like small lumps and like hardness, and like I was really stiff. Like no matter how many massages I got, I was really stiff. So I reached out to multiple professionals. I got basically 30 plus massages. I got
How many?
30 plus massages.
Okay.
I had radio frequency, I had steroid injections, and it
How
just
many? No,
caused.
how many steroids?
I only did it once, but it was like probably like I want to say five on each side, like five on my stomach and five on each
Do you
side.
remember the name of the steroid?
No, I do not remember. But I know she said it was mixed with like I think it was enzymes, like lemon enzymes or something like that.
It's a mix.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I did red light therapy. That didn't work also. And then when I came back to Florida, I found Marianne on TikTok, and I was very hesitant at first because I already did like a lot of massages and nothing was helping. And I was considering another surgery because obviously I wanted to get it fixed. But I reached out to Marianne and I started coming here. And within like the first 5 sessions, I realized that the pain decreased, the stiffness decreased a lot, and it was more tolerable, but it was still painful. So I kept coming until I saw the results that I wanted. So that's where I am right now.
Okay, so you tried a variety of different things. You went to see quite a few different therapists, and nothing was working for you.
Yeah.
And so far with our treatment, would you say you feel satisfied with the results of our treatment?
Yes.
Great, great. We're happy to hear that. And do you believe it's worth it to make the trip, the investment to come here and get the fibrosis treatment from us?
Yes, I feel like it's worth it rather than risking it on another surgery where it could possibly cost you more and you could possibly end up with fibrosis again.
Yes, this is a very important point. Usually, when you can go to our YouTube channel, all the testimonials, people said that, after a revision surgery, sometimes develop more fibrosis with our treatment. So you know that the fibrosis is gonna go away, and also it's safe because you don't have anesthesia. It's non-invasive. Any risk? It was important for you there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so no downtime on our fibrosis treatment. You walk in and you walk out. We don't do anything that we're not allowed to do. Um, it's very important to remember that enzyme injections are to be administered by a doctor, and it has to be done in the proper setting for the proper application. Those enzymes are used to dissolve fat. We have to remember that fibrosis is not fat, and so it is not the adequate way to treat fibrosis. What this results in is in a depression around the fibrosis where the enzyme has dissolved the fat and the fibrosis remains intact. So it actually makes the fibrosis pop out even more because of the depression around it. And surgeons are advising to fill that in with fat, which is uh, a little bit ridiculous since the whole point of a liposuction is to remove the fat. So just to rewind a little bit, when you were trying out all these different things, what made you, get there and take the decision to try these different options?
For me, it was more so desperation. Like I started seeing the lumps, I got concerned. I started looking whatever I could get, whatever I could find to feel better. That was the first thing I grabbed basically. So the thought process behind it wasn't what if I got hurt. It was just you said you could help me. Okay, you can help me. That was the thought process behind it.
Okay. So you didn't weren't advised or warned about the potential risk of these procedures?
No.
Okay. Now, it is important to take note that these so-called health professionals they're committing an act against public health when they do these practices. Just like you, hold on a second. If you take away anything from this video, we want you to know that we are here for you, whether you have already been through this situation, or even if you never make it out to come see us or you never book with us, you hopefully at least know the dangers of walking in somewhere where they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing and they're practicing outside of their scope. Hopefully this was enough to at least know what not to do, and save yourself time, money, and potentially, a very considerable risk to your health. Thank you.
Mayor estiramiento, estira a lo máximo, que quiero que se vea bien, bien, bien donde te jalas. Aquí,
Ajá.
ahí mismo. Ahí va.
Oh.